notification shout out. These are the first 3 subscribers to comment on my last video. Thank you so much for commenting and taking the time out to watch my video. I really do appreciate it. And I also want to say thank you guys so much that we have hit 106 subscribers so far. So y'all know what that means. Giveaway. I will have a giveaway coming up in the beginning of March, so y'all make sure y'all look out for that. I really do love y'all and appreciate y'all. I did not think that I would make it this far, and it's because of you guys. So I want to say thank you by giving you a giveaway, since I did hit my 100 subscriber count or goal for the month of January, February. So yeah, thank you so much, and without further ado, let's get into this video. Hey girl, hey nail bestie, what is going on? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing, so make sure y'all thumbs up this video and let's get into the unboxing. This is the Your Nail Lab in a Box by Makartt. This is their Luxe box. I paid $35 a month every month for it, and I was highly disappointed in this box this month, and it was also very confusing as to why I got this box, but that is nor here nor there. We're gonna unbox it, and in my next video y'all are gonna see what I come up with. So let's go. All right. So we are getting to unboxing this box, and this is like the second variation. So the first thing that I got in the box is this gel polish in the color Scarlet. This is 8 ml, and I thought it was a really pretty red color, and it is very different finally, because I told them that I was tired of these nudie colors, pinky colors, beigey colors. But they sent us this red one, which I guess was for Valentine's Day. So they added that little bit of red for Valentine's Day. And yeah, that's what the swatch looked like. And I also top coated that swatch so you can see what it looked like top coated. And this is the second gel polish. Usually they come in a box, but they didn't come in their own separate box. They just came thrown in the box. But this is in the color Orange Marmalade, also 8 ml. And this is a shimmery gel polish, and I was just showing you what the back of it looks like, and this is what the swatch look like. I did this all off camera so I wouldn't waste any time. So this is what it looks like. Again, I did top coat it and curated my lamp for 60 seconds so you guys can see what it looks like top coated, but I thought that this was a very beautiful color, and I will be using it in future videos. Okay, so the next item that we have is this packaging right here. This is the Nail Artiste collection. I know it was in their site. If it is, I will have it down below if you are interested in getting it. One thing I will have to say about it are the flowers are kind of bulky, and they were hard for me to work with, but nonetheless, I did my best with the set that I did come up with, which is coming up, so you guys stay tuned for that video. And I did not know it was Ziploc, y'all. I just cut it open. But yeah, this is their flower collection, and they just have different kind of dried flowers, and they have different sizes of gel flowers, and they also have the stems, so you can do like the milk bath nails. You can just encapsulate them and just whatever comes to mind. But yeah, I did use some of these in my videos. I do wish that that roll that I'm pointing at right now were smaller, because they were a little bit big and did take up a lot of space on the nail. But yeah, some of them I did use, and I had to cut in half so it wouldn't take up too much space, like these ones on this one. The ones on the bottom row for the ones that I'm unwrapping right now, I did have to cut in half for some of them so I could put it on my nails. But yeah, this is what these nails looks like. And I see Nails by Nelly. Hey girl, hey. She used a UV flashlight thingy, and it had a silicone stamper type thing on her flashlight. Yeah, I gotta get me one of those, because when she did her nails, they were bomb, and she used that to flatten her flowers out. So yeah, I'm looking into that. They also sent with that packaging came this tweezer picker upper, and this is a pointed one, and it helps pick up the flowers, which I thought was really good. It did the job, and yeah, it's just a pair of tweezers. So the next thing I thought was really cute that I really did like in the packaging was the flowers and hearts, which to me look like peaches, but again, neither here nor there. They are iridescent flowers and hearts, and they come in different colors. So on the top row you have the hearts, and on the bottom row you have the flowers. They all come in different colors, but they are iridescent. And this is the one that I'm going to show you guys what they look like. And I did not know that you could take the whole top off. Like, I learned something new today. But yeah, these are what they look like. And I did use the flowers in my set. I don't want to spoil anything, but yeah, I did use that in my set that I have the video coming up. Don't the hearts look like peaches, y'all? They peaches, but these are the flowers, and I thought that they were super, super cute, so I had to use them. And I don't know, they feeling kind of Valentine's Day-y to me, because you think of flowers and roses and hearts, you think of Valentine's Day. So yeah, that is what that package looks like. And the next thing that I got out of my package are these, which was very confusing to me because I don't know where it fits in on the thing. Maybe this was for January, I don't know, but I feel like they had some January mixed up with, I don't know. February was confusing to me, y'all. But these are zodiac signs. I guess they're constellation signs. But yeah, I'm putting this in a giveaway, so I'm not even gonna open it for you guys. Y'all can have it, okay? So the next thing that I got in my package was this I'm just gonna say platter, mixing platter. I used it in my video as well to mix some polygel together, and it is a nice little crown shaped plate, and it is pearlescent. I don't want to say pearlescent, but it looks opalish. I don't know what to call it, but it's cute, you know, nice little display thing. You can put your little things to show in videos, or mix things up like polishes and stuff like that, or just have the polishes so you could do your nail art with. So I thought that that was really cute. Again, still confused, but yeah. Okay, so the next thing I got, which I feel like I've seen them before in another box, but these are pearl chain type charms, and they come in different sizes. They have a small one and a big one. Again, something that I am putting in my giveaway because I just don't see myself using them, so why keep them? So I'm gonna give them to you guys. So this is the small one. This is what that one looks like, and the size of the pearl, it's like pearl in the middle, then it has just gold around it, and it is a nice cute little chain. But again, like I said, not something that I would use, so I'm just putting that in my giveaway. If you guys want to see a giveaway video of the stuff that is going to be in my giveaway, please let me know, and I will have that video out for you guys, so you guys will know exactly what you are getting in the giveaway. I still don't know if I'm gonna have 1 or 2 giveaway winners, but yeah, that video will come out soon, so y'all just wait for that. Okay. But make sure y'all are subscribed, and y'all tap y'all notification bell to all, so y'all can be notified when I do have my giveaway. So the next thing in my box is this polygel right here, your nail lab in a box. This is what the packaging looks like. As always, it is 30 ml. This is in the shade Calla Lily. Y'all, I don't know about y'all, but I'm getting tired of these pinks, these whites, these clears. Like, can we get something new? Like, I seen the other variation boxes with Nails by Key, Nails by Brandy, Stay Polish. They got different boxes. Even Lisette Cruz. I don't know if it's because they when they bought it, they're shipping or whatever, or if they're, you know, bigger YouTubers. I don't know, but their boxes was totally different, and I really, really like their boxes. But because they got colored polygel and they got colored gel polishes, and their box was just beautiful. But this is what the color looks like for Calla Lily. My light is kind of fading it out, like you can't see the color that it is, but it's a regular bubblegum pink. Ain't nothing too special. It's pink, So the next thing that I have in the box is another poly gel, but this one is a clear poly gel. I am not opening this poly gel because I already have a clear poly gel. It's not by Makartt. It's actually by Rosalind. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I have poly gel with them that is clear that I use right now, and I don't want to open another one until I am done with the one that I've opened. But this is just to show you guys what it looks like. A clear. Everybody's saying this one is the clearest clear, so we shall see. Again, 30 milliliters, and yeah. So this is I think this is everything that I got in the box, if I am not mistaken. Where is my gel polishes? Here they are, right here. So yeah, this is everything that I got in my box. I will give it 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 4. I'll give it a 4. 4 out of 5 because it's just, I don't know. I don't really like the box, but I'm going to work with it, But thank you guys for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. If you are new, welcome. I am glad to have you. If you are an old subby, welcome back. Thank you for coming. Thank you for taking the time out to come back and comment and watch my videos. Thumbs up it so I know that you like it, and I will continue making more. I'm just showing you the things that I did not really like in the package, but yeah, this is everything that I got. Let me know what you guys got. Let me know what you think is the best thing in the box, and I will see you in my next video. Ta-ta.